So today we have Riju with us and he had a certain question. So let's go to Riju and ask him what he wanted to ask about. So yes, Riju, what is your
Hi.
question for today?
So first of all, hi Yogi. How are
Hi
you?
Riju, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Just doing fabulous,
चलिए
Yogi. So
बताइए.
yeah, absolutely. I had a question, right? And I wanted to ask this question since a long time, right? My question is like, if I want to be rich, like everyone
Okay,
wants to be wealthy enough, right?
right.
So how can it be possible? Just
Okay.
certain guidelines from your end.
Okay. So what is being rich means to you?
Being rich means to me like to have a good wealth in my life,
Okay.
right? So that I can help people, I can help myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you have too much wealth, how much is good amount of wealth to make you feel rich?
So that I can have a good day to day living, right? So that I'm
Right.
able to live on a good basis, so that I have my family secured, I have myself secured, and
Okay.
I can share some of my wealth to the society as well. That is what I mean by richness, at
So what
least.
I understand, there's no definite answer of how much money you're looking for.
Absolutely.
You just want to be
Absolutely.
in a position where you can probably share some of it with your family and to the people around, right? That's it, what you're
Absolutely.
trying to say, right? So
Absolutely.
now let me ask you this, that can you not do that today? Can you not share something today with someone?
Today, yes, definitely I can share it.
Yes.
Definitely, that is for sure. But then what happens? Like, if I want to do it in mass, right? You understand? If I want to do it in a big gathering, so that
Right.
would be something like bit difficult with me. But
Okay.
yes, today also I
Okay.
can do it.
So first of all, we need to understand if we ever want something in life, first we need to understand what are we doing towards it. Because to every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. We understand that.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it is
Mm-hmm.
always said in giving, we receive. The
Mm-hmm.
first thing a person should start doing is start giving.
Okay.
Start giving the society. You need to understand this, that from this universe, from where we are at this moment, we are constantly in the receiving mode, right? जो हमारे पांच
Mm-hmm.
तत्व हैं, हमें उनसे हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा है. जल, वायु,
Mm-hmm.
अग्नि, धरती, हमें उनसे कुछ ना कुछ हर वक्त मिलता रहता है, करेक्ट? बट हम उसको
Correct.
क्या रिटर्न कर रहे हैं? वी आर नॉट giving much as are we are receiving. Now, human
Mm-hmm.
beings or animals or anything which is there on this planet are nothing but the manifestation
Mm-hmm.
of these five elements. प्रकृति ही की
Absolutely.
मैनिफेस्टेशन है, यूनिवर्स की ही मैनिफेस्टेशन है. तो हमें इन फाइव एलिमेंट्स
Absolutely.
के द्वारा, चाहे सीन और अनसीन, अनसीन माने वायु, एयर विच यू ब्रीदिंग ऑल्सो, अग्नि ऑल्सो,
Mm-hmm.
मेटाबॉलिज्म, तो हर वक्त कहीं ना कहीं हमें किसी ना किसी रूप से कुछ ना कुछ शुरू से मिलता आ रहा है, करेक्ट? आज अगर आप खाना भी
Absolutely.
खाते हो तो सोचो एक फार्मर कितनी मेहनत करता होगा, उसके बाद उसकी एक सप्लाई चेन होती होगी, उसके बाद कोई रिटेलर होलसेलर के पास आता होगा, फिर उसे कोई बनाता होगा, तब जाके आपके प्लेट में खाना होता होगा, उसके बाद आप उसमें से आधा झूठा छोड़ देते होंगे. So there's so much
Mm-hmm.
happening for you to have that one meal, and you have 3 or 4 such meals every day, right? So we are constantly receiving, and if we notice how much are we giving back, first thing we need to understand that till we don't start to give, we cannot receive. That is the first
Okay.
idea. Second, when you said that if I have enough wealth, I can do something bigger for the masses. मैं ज्यादा लोगों के
Absolutely.
लिए कर सकता हूँ. देखो,
Absolutely.
the contribution should happen in such a way that number should not matter to you. If each one of us take us the responsibility of keeping another person, one person happy, then everybody is happy on this planet.
Amazing. Amazing.
Correct? If we all take up a
Correct.
responsibility, you take up responsibility of keeping me happy or contributing in my life, sharing something you have. I take up the responsibility of sharing with my neighbor. My neighbor takes the responsibility of sharing it with his employee. Everybody is going to be happy and everybody has enough in this world and everybody is rich then because everybody is able to share. So we need to first understand, Viju, that if you really want to be rich, what happens when you have money? You probably feel secure, you feel happiness, you feel content. These are the things, right? When you share also what you wanted to do
Absolutely.
in a mass scale, what will that bring to you? Happiness? Just
Absolutely.
try doing that one day, go out and feed someone with your own hand. You'll feel happiness then also, right or wrong?
Absolutely true.
Correct? How much will that cost you?
Absolutely.
10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees, or 50 rupees? I believe that much money you have right now to do that. So if you do that for seven
Absolutely.
days consecutively, will you be happy at the end of those 7 days or not?
Yes, I will be.
Will you be content or not?
Yes,
Sometimes we look at
definitely.
the figures कि हम बड़े स्केल में कुछ करें, probably to boost our ego. हाँ, मैंने ना इतने लोगों को खिलाया. Try to understand. अगर हमें किसी का ख्याल ही रखना है, हम एक एक का करके ख्याल रख सकते हैं. As we grow, if tomorrow you have a say hike of 30%, 50%, आज आप 10,000 कमा रहे हो, कल 20,000 कमाओगे, आप दो को खिलाओ. 40,000 खिलाओगे, आप चार को खिलाओ. So automatically you are taking up the responsibility and you inspire other people, your colleagues, your friends, to do the same. So why should one individual take up the responsibility? Why should we all not try to become rich? Because we need to understand one thing. आप मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल दे दो कि किसी एक आदमी ने लोगों के साथ शेयर करके, लोगों के साथ कंट्रीब्यूट करके उनकी जिंदगी में, या लोगों को रोज खिला के गरीब हो गया हो. We have heard stories of people losing money in the stock market. We have heard of people losing money in their business, right? People have been cheated by the people around them. Have you ever heard stories where a person was giver to the society and he became poor?
Absolutely no.
Because
A
when he's
big
in the
no.
giving mode, somebody else is going to take care of his receiving. And he's in such a blissful state when he's giving that he really doesn't care whether he's rich or poor. He's so rich within that the financial thing doesn't make him rich. Rich is not the definition for me how much money you have in your bank account, because once you die, that will not stay with you, right? Even when you have a lot of money in your bank account, what are you going to do with it? आप तो वही 50 100 रुपए 200 रुपए का खाना खाओगे ना, वही दाल रोटी खाओगे जो 80 रुपए किलो में मिलती है. आपके बाकी 500 करोड़ 1000 करोड़ तो बैंक अकाउंट में है. What is going to make, how is it making you rich? But just imagine आपके पास 50,000 रुपए है, but you are able to contribute to the people, you're getting blessings of the people. Will you not feel rich then?
Yes, I will.
That will
Definitely.
stay with
Rightly.
you, with your name, with your chetana, with your being, even when you're gone. Then you truly experience the Sat Chit Anand in your life, right? So for me, Riju, it would be that start giving from today. Start giving to the society. Even human beings are nothing but the manifestation of these five elements, as I said before. So start doing something. Plant a tree, feed someone, care an animal. किसी के लिए भी कुछ
Hmm.
करते रहो. Do it for 7 days from today. Tell me after 7 days
Hmm.
how rich you feel. I can assure you right now that at the end of the seventh day, you will tell me you probably feel one of the richest person around.
I'll start from today itself. It's not a big deal for me,
It
obviously.
isn't, right?
I
You do not need too
Yes,
much money to do
absolutely.
this, correct? To share and contribute,
Absolutely, absolutely.
to feel rich, right? So
Absolutely.
let's
So there's
yeah.
yeah.
तो आज से इसको
So
कोशिश करो.
just one thing.
जी.
There's one thing to add. So definitely, so it has like money, which I was thinking it was. It's. I mean, I connected it to a materialistic part, right?
Right.
But then being rich is from a heart, from inner
Right.
self. So that is what you wanted to make me
Absolutely, because
understand.
rich is wealth, you said, right? हमारी आदत क्या हो गई ना, wealth को हमेशा हम पैसे की तरफ से देखते हैं. Wealth that you have all your limbs intact, आपके हाथ पांव सारे काम करे, that is also wealth. You're able to eat food, that is also wealth. You have a family, you have a home, that is also a wealth. You are able to survive and wake up every morning, that is also wealth. You have wisdom and knowledge to work and take decisions for yourself, that is also wealth. You are so wealthy. Try to understand. It's just that we find reasons to think that we are not wealthy and we want to compare ourselves with the car the other person is driving. And then we think, Arey yaar, he's richer than I am.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And just to add one more thing, this well-being comes, I mean, this wealth comes from well-being itself. Like if you see wealth and wealth, both are almost similar, right? And if you take care of your own self, if you take care of the society, then definitely मुझे जो आपकी बातों से समझ आया कि डेफिनेटली अगर हम अपनी ध्यान रखें, हम अपनी सोसाइटी की ध्यान रखें, तो दैट इज ओनली फुलफिलिंग आवर goals at the end of the day.
It's as simple as that. How I would like to end this: I nurture you, you nurture me, we grow together. Right? And if
Correct.
everybody just understand this, and if you can, we can, each one of us just make sure that other person understand how rich he or she is, we all be able to take care of the entire world.
Absolutely, we can.
Right? Chalo, it was great connecting with you, Riju. Thank you so much for this wonderful question. Namaste.
Thank you so much for giving your time. Namaste. Namaste.